Hi, everybody. This is Rob, and this is your book video number 2 for Unit 3, Miles, Yards, and Feet. We are going to preview page 24. Let's read. So, okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to preview Let's Read section for Unit 3, Miles, Yards, and Feet. This is page 24. Now, very important, you do not have to do this. This is only for bonus points. So we will be using this black paper right here, homework for unit number 3. Now, there's one thing you need to understand here. There is a mistake here. It should say right here, meter. Right here it says meter. It should say metric. I'm sorry, I made a word processing mistake. I'll have to fix that later. But if you could fix that for me, that would be great. Metric. Okay. So we're going to answer 3 true and false questions and 5 multiple choice questions. Let's get started. So let me introduce you a new member. I'm sorry, let me introduce a new member to you. And this is what we'll be talking about. We'll be talking about miles, yards, and feet. Please listen to the story. And first, please look at my animation.
Miles, yards, and feet. In the metric system of measurement, the most common units of distance are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers.
So you have 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, and 1 kilometer. Okay. Kilometer or kilometer, either is okay.
This system is used by a majority of the world, including Japan.
Okay. This means it's used by most of the world. Majority means most. So all of these countries use the metric system. Europe uses it, Asia uses it, South America uses it, Canada uses it.
But the US is an exception.
Remember, the exception is something that goes against the rule or goes against what is usual. America is the exception. Okay, they're against the rule. For example, most American people have a gun. I am the exception. I do not have a gun. Okay, so exception does not mean good or bad, it just means different. So the US is an exception.
In the US, distances on roads are measured in miles, and shorter distances are measured in yards and feet.
So we measure long distances in miles in America. In Japan, we do it in kilometers. For example, the distance between Teine and Tamakamai is about 96 kilometers. In America, it's about 50 miles. Okay.
1 mile is equal to 1,609 meters.
So in general, okay, everything is shorter. 1 mile is longer than 1 kilometer. 1 mile, 1 kilometer. Okay.
1 yard is equal to 3 feet, or 0.9144 meters.
So 1 yard, okay, 1 yard is 3 feet. So yeah, 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet. So 1 yard, okay, 1 yard meter. Meter is a little bit bigger or longer than a yard. Also, too, this right here, this is called a point. 0.1, I'm sorry, 0.9144. That's called a point.
And 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, or 0.3048 meters.
So you've got 1 foot, 1 meter. Okay, so meters are longer than feet.
Why hasn't the US adopted the metric system?
Okay, adopted. Remember, adopt means to use something or to borrow something or to make something popular. Japan adopted baseball, okay? Yakyu comes from baseball. Japan adopted baseball. Baseball became Yakyu. America has adopted the name tsunami. We used to say tidal wave, but America adopted the name tsunami, okay? So why hasn't the America adopted the metric system?
The biggest reasons may be simply time and money.
Okay, it would be expensive and inconvenient. I mean, time and money. It's expensive and inconvenient. Okay, let's do it one more time. Please read and please listen. Okay,
Part 1.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Miles, yards, and feet. In the metric system of measurement, the most common units of distance are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. This system is used by a majority of the world, including Japan. But the US is an exception. In the US, distances on roads are measured in miles, and shorter distances are measured in yards and feet. 1 mile is equal to 1,609 meters. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, or 0.9144 meters. And 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, or 0.3048 meters. Why hasn't the US adopted the metric system? The biggest reasons may be simply time and money.
Okay, now miles, yards, and feet. You can stop the video and you can read this as many times as you want. Okay, now let's answer some questions. First one, number one, true or false, three true and false questions. Number one, millimeters and centimeters, meters and kilometers are usually used in the metric system of measurement. Is that true or false? Number two, the US also uses the metric system. Is that true or false? Number three, time and money are main reasons why the US does not use the metric system. Is that true or false? Okay. I'll give you 5 seconds. Stop the video. Please answer the questions. Okay, here are the answers. Okay. Number one is true. In the metric system, the most common units of distance are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Okay. Number two, the US also uses the metric system. No, we don't. We use yards in feet in inches. So that's false. And number three, time and money are main reasons why the US does not use the metric system. That's true. As it says, it's simply time and money. Okay, so number one is true, number two is false, number three is true. Okay, next one, multiple choice. Number one, what is an exception? Okay, what is an exception? Something that is exciting, something that is different from what is normal or expected, and C, something that is difficult. What is the answer? 5 seconds. Please go ahead and guess your answer. Okay. Your answer is B, something that is different from what is normal or expected. Like I said, most Americans have a gun. I am the exception. I don't. Okay, next one. Number two, a kilometer or kilometer is than a mile. Bigger, longer, shorter. Remember the distance from Tomakomai to Tene, kilometers and miles. Okay, 96 kilometers, 50 miles. So a kilometer is bigger, longer, shorter than a mile. 10 seconds. Okay, the answer is shorter. Okay, 1 mile is 1,690 meters. So the kilometer is shorter than the mile. Miles, kilometers. Miles, kilometers. Okay, good. Next one, number three. Miles and yards are used to measure distances in America, used to measure distances in Japan, part of the metric system. Which is it? 10 seconds. Answer is A, used to measure distances in America. We use miles and yards in America. Okay, next one. Number 4, adopt means to give away. I should need this too. To use, follow, or take up, or to stop or prevent. What does it mean? The answer is to use, follow, or take up. Okay. For example, Japan has adopted baseball, which became Yaku. America has adopted ramen. Ramen is very, very popular in America now. So, Johnny's was adopted by Korea. Johnny's, for example, Tokyo SMAP, those groups are very popular. And Japan has adopted many Korean groups. Okay, good. Number 5, majority means the same as most, some, or few. Okay, the answer is most. Majority means most. Okay, so your answer should look like this. Now, if you want 2 bonus points, take a picture of this, send it to me at line before class, and you'll get 2 bonus points. You do not have to do this, but if you do, you get 2 bonus points. Okay, good. And also, please make sure to put your name and your, I'm sorry, one more time. Please make sure to put your name. Make sure you put your name and your student number here so I know who you are. Okay, everybody, good job. Thank you very much. Let's go drink some Diet Coke. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye bye.